Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Thursday, March the 21st. This is the recap for today. Oh dear. Let's just dive in. It's not going to get any easier. Today was ugly. Today was ugly. First of all, I want to explain what happened this morning. My Starlink, I don't know what's going on. I had issues with it early this morning. Thought it was fixed. Supposedly the issue is on my end. Supposedly Starlink didn't have any outages in my area today. I was digging into that. It took me until about 1:30 and we had Starlink back. Unfortunately, I have other alternative internet where I can still be connected and I can still trade, which is kind of unfortunate. I would have been better off if I didn't trade the rest of the day, but we'll get to that. But I can't stream with the other internet, so I couldn't really stream, and it was later in the day, and then by then things were kind of off the rails. Wasn't really in the mood to stream this afternoon. Probably should have, actually. That probably would have helped negate some of the bloodbath that ensued. But you know what? We're just going to rip off the Band-Aid. It is what it is. We made mistakes today, and I had a little mini tilt session. I did. I will be honest. It has been a while since I've really gone off the rails like I did today. And, it's been a while since I've been this frustrated. I was so frustrated at the market today, and I know that's when I start getting just frustrated with the market in a sense of, I think you guys know what I mean. Like, you enter a trade and you're trying to, it just immediately rips against you. And it gets to a point where it's very frustrating. I had been very good when that happens to shut off my trading for the day and to walk away. Today was not one of those days. I thought, not today, market. I am going to get my way today. And we had one of those boxing fights where I'm the guy that is all bloody and knocked out every round, yet somehow I get up wanting more, and you just go right back to it for more, and then you just get knocked out again. And it's like, oh, that was fun. Let's do that again. You get up again, you get knocked out again. Finally, after the 6th knockout, you're like, you know what? That kind of hurts. Maybe I shouldn't do this. Maybe I should stop. That was pretty much me in a nutshell today. So, first, I want to give you guys a warning. There's a little bit of red on there. I'm going to go to my next. First of all, let's just address the elephant in the room here. This account here, which is what we were trading today, she gone. Bye-bye. See you later. She gone. That is kind of where things started. I actually had this account. We took a big loss this morning, which was very frustrating. Then we battled our way back and then made the terrible mistake of it was just a terrible entry, terrible trade. And then I didn't cut my trade when I knew I was wrong. You know the drill. I'm not going to go in detail. We're going to review, and I'm going to show you guys the red, and then we're going to move on. Okay? And we can agree to that. I don't want you guys freaking out in the comments. I know there's trolls. There's been these trolls that have been waiting in the background, just waiting for a day like this, and they're going to pounce. That's okay. I don't mind. I'm a big boy. Anyway, here we go. Your guys are probably going to have to go wash your eyes after you look at this, but here it is. There it is. The bloodbath that happened today. Unfortunate. It is what it is. We were not content until we had massacred 7 of these accounts. So now, now I do want to make it clear. Obviously, these accounts only had $500 of drawdown left. I get it. I was trading pretty big size. I was being aggressive on purpose for a reason before you all freak out. So, and most, I share this in earlier videos, so I don't want to hear the comments of where are all these evals coming from, blah, blah, blah. I have 11 evals that have been passed for the past 3.5 weeks. This coming Monday, those 11 evals are going to get billed again for, basically, I don't know, what is it, $34 per account? So close to $400 that I would get billed again this coming Monday. So I did want to be aggressive on these accounts because I want to lose. If I'm going to lose accounts, I want to do it before I get rebilled on Monday on those eval accounts. Obviously, we've kind of went above and beyond that. But basically, what I'm going to do probably tonight is activate all of those 11 evals that are passed, which would then mean we would have, hang on, I'm not good at math. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have currently 7 accounts that are still alive. Man, I apologize. Excuse me. I still am struggling with my cough. It seems when I start talking, it gets worse. But so we still have 7 accounts that are alive. They have, $600 drawdown to $700 drawdown. So they're still not out of the woods yet. I knew this was going to be difficult to bring these back to a payout. Obviously, I did not envision that we were going to go, have a day like today where we go through 7 accounts and blow 7 of them. That was definitely not my intent and definitely not part of the plan. I should have stopped after the first one. That's on me. And we just kept going. So anyway, these accounts obviously are gone. We're going to replace them. We're going to have 11 fresh new accounts tomorrow morning, which we will then just start trading like we would normally do. And hopefully it'll be nice to have some accounts that have $2,500 of drawdown. So again, it is what it is. Like I say that a lot. Obviously, my trading was not great today by no stretch of the imagination. Mistakes were made. I mean, and to be honest, my biggest issue was my bias. I was just way too biased today. We had... Oh man, excuse me. I need to cut this video short before I hyperventilate. But we obviously made new all-time highs this morning, and then we made a really nice move higher, and I got trapped here. Literally every move higher, I thought, okay, this is us going back to the highs. And I just seemed like I just could not look at the market objectively today. I just had that bias all day long. And even some of these accounts that are green, the accounts here that are green are mostly because of catching a little bit of a bounce higher and, getting out before it dumped again. So even these trades here weren't exactly great trades. And again, most of the time I only take long trades. That today definitely hurt me. And it definitely got me thinking that maybe I need to be a little bit more subjective with the market and look at it. Hey, if we start making lower highs and lower lows, maybe, just maybe, it might be a good idea to think about going short, or at the very least, not go long. So some mental notes today. It is what it is. I'm done rambling. I'm done going on about it. We'll learn from it, hopefully, and get some fresh accounts. And that'll be kind of a new journey to, obviously, the goal is to get to another payout. We have 30K in payouts coming for March, which is awesome. And that definitely really helps alleviate any kind of pain Even though I was really frustrated today, it does help to have a payout, and it does help that all of these accounts we have already taken a $2,000 payout from. So yes, it sucks losing the accounts, but at the same time, I'm not that shocked that I'm losing them. I'm a little bit shocked of how many I lost today and in what fashion. That's kind of what I was hoping to avoid. Anyway, that's it, folks. Again, thanks everyone for your support. Appreciate it. And we will be back tomorrow. So far, Starlink has been working. Yeah, hopefully those issues are resolved, but I guess we'll see. But yeah, hope everyone has a great evening. Take care and God bless.